focus of our public sector clients looking to address stormwater infrastructure has been administering programs that comply with Clean Water Act regulatory drivers. This means improving water quality to local water bodies, streams, creeks, rivers. And one of the planning tools that is used is a total maximum daily load, or a TMDL. A TMDL is an important planning tool because it helps to establish the amount of pollutants that a water body can receive and still support designated uses such as recreational uses, drinking water, and wildlife habitat. So our clients have historically focused on addressing water quality in stormwater, but now more focused on addressing projects and building project portfolios that provide co-benefits, both environmental, economic, and social co-benefits. So they're looking for cost-effective projects that meet the nitrogen, phosphorus, and sediment reductions that are required as part of a TMDL, but also can provide and address climate-driven flooding, temperatures from heat islands, and environmental justice. So engineering firms support our clients with these challenges by providing programmatic, planning, and design support, but really it comes down to the accounting. It's about tracking what projects have been implemented, how much nutrient reduction credit they're getting, how much each of those projects cost, and then tracking the inspection, the maintenance, and long-term performance of the projects that are implemented. So from a planning and a design perspective, we support watershed assessments which evaluate study areas and identify opportunities to install practices which could be new stormwater management, retrofits to existing stormwater management, stream restoration, and we do preliminary prioritization to calculate the estimated pollutant loads that could be achieved by implementing those projects, and we develop preliminary cost estimates. That helps our clients then prioritize and build the project portfolio that goes into their capital budgets. Once those projects move from planning into design, Dewberry, as well as other engineering firms, can support the design aspect of it. We do detailed plan drawings, and we can even support the actual construction of those projects. On a programmatic side of things, that goes back to the tracking and the accounting. We develop strategies that help our clients comply with the regulatory drivers. It's about tracking the public outreach. It's about tracking the inspections. It's about identifying where their infrastructure is and when it was maintained.